Hello, my name is James. Today, I am extremely excited to introduce this lecture by Neville Goddard in a video. Faith, Imagination and Prayer. Let's begin. Faith, Imagination and Prayer is a powerful and inspiring guide to mastering the spiritual power of prayer and imagination. It is an encouraging piece of literature that can help us better understand our potential for success and tap into the inner realm of manifesting what we desire. The lecture is comprised of three powerful spiritual principles: faith, imagination and prayer, that when used together, can create real, tangible results. Firstly, the lecture examines the importance of faith. When we show faith in something, we are trusting and believing that it will work, that the result of our actions will be the desired one. Whether it be in God or in the power of our own minds, faith is the starting point to achieving our goals and allowing our dreams to become a reality. The second principle is imagination. In this lecture, Neville Goddard speaks of the power of visualized thought, and how our imagination can influence the world around us. Imagination is the gateway to our spiritual power, to seeing and achieving the vision we have for our life. Imagination brings our thoughts and desires to life, and makes it possible to bring our greatest dreams into fruition. Finally, the lecture examines how prayer is the bridge between faith and imagination. Prayer is the act of speaking your faith and intention into the universe. I'd also like to add that feeling is the language used to talk with the universe. It is the power behind connecting the dots between what we desire for ourselves and what the universe will bring to us. Prayer is the tool for setting our intentions, for focusing our spiritual power, and for creating the life we want. Through this lecture, Neville Goddard encourages us to use faith, imagination and prayer together as an unstoppable force. He encourages us to experience the power of these three spiritual principles and use our powers of manifestation to bring the life of our dreams into being. This video is an inspiring and empowering guide to mastering the spiritual powers of faith, imagination and prayer. It encourages us to turn our dreams into reality, and to achieve a life worthy of celebration. That was powerful. If you haven't already, please click on the subscribe button below this video, give it a thumbs up, and like it if you did. It is very much appreciated, and will help me with this channel. Thank you for watching.